Llegamos a Valley of the Lati, en el municipio de Talofofo, significa medio de las cascadas. Aquí hay un río, ahí sí. Como esta isla es muy volcánica, los ríos se ponen así como de color de chocolate. En chamorro eso es marrón, color chocolate. Uno puede estacionarse ahí. Hay un mapa de dónde vamos ahora mismo. Estamos aquí. Esto es la bahía de Talofofo. Hay Carabao, Panamá. Ya está. Nos vamos a montar en ese barco y vamos por todo el río. Vamos. Ahora sí. Estamos en el barco por irnos hacia dentro de la isla, por el río. Y todos andan con esta mierda de máscara. Precauciones de seguridad.
Thank you, Brian. I'm your captain today, also your tour guide while you're on the boat. This is what we're going to do today, a brief summary of the tour. First, we're headed up Talofofo River, the widest, deepest river in the world of Guam. We're going up this river as far as we can go into the Bubulao Valley. We're also going to head up Bugam River, going up 2 rivers today. The way back down, we'll be stopping by the ruins of an ancient Chamorro village. We'll see limestone caves and artifacts over there. We'll meet the Tau Taui Sing Song. That means the village people, which is just one guy. But he's going to do a little demonstration for you about the coconuts. Give you a coconut demonstration, and then you'll tour around the village. We got basket weavers over there making baskets out of coconut leaves. We're going to give away baskets today, like hats, fans, bowls, fishing baskets, fruit baskets, a lot of baskets to give away. Also, you'll have delicious Chamorro barbecue over there, made with the real Chamorros. Got free ice water and iced tea for you there. Then when we're done there, we'll head down to the Animal Sanctuary. That's this next dock coming up on the left. That's the Animal Sanctuary dock right there. That's where you can ride that carabao. Right now it looks like Willy Wonka's Chocolate River. Up a day, there's a basket weaver, Chris. See you in there? This plant you see on the left is called Nipa. Nipas only grow in the river, they don't grow anywhere else. That's the kind of plant they use to make the roof for huts. Lasts about 8 to 10 years, as long as we don't have a typhoon, which is coming our way. There's the ancient ruins over here. There's a representative Laddystone house, as well as original Laddystones in the original location. About 600 Chamorros used to live around here. Dated back to 206 BC. Wow. There's little signs out there that tell you the name of the plant in all different languages. Like Japanese, Chinese, dirty knees, what are these? English. Scientific term as well as Chamorro and Korean, Annyeonghaseyo. Onions for sale. When a super typhoon comes around the island, the river raises up about 18 feet and floods this entire valley. Wow. Hard to imagine, but that's what happens. The whole place will fill up with water. That's why there's no houses around here. But there are many, many Laddystones hidden in the jungle all the way up and down this river. That's why they call this place the Valley of the Laddie. People lived here until the Spaniards arrived on the island, built some churches. They said everybody got to live close enough to a church to hear the church bell ring, and this place was too far away.
Si Zos masih pun di penakton ni sini aman holong gima ilisong ilati zani tanu kami zani kota si nakta si mambiram jo holong mala holong.
La primera parada, el supuestamente indígena de aquí, está sonando ese caracol. Buenas. El indígena que dice buenas. Y aquí queda una casa chamorra tradicional. Eso es mi mamá. Por acá hay un galaidi, que es como una canoa chiquita. Las piedras late, supuestamente los cientos antes de Cristo, originales. Bueno, son varias. Acá, que todavía está intacto. Y acá hay unas más que algunas se cayeron. Y por el otro lado, por allá adentro, queda más, un poco más grande. Estos son otras piedras late, pequeñitas. Son las más viejas. Agaga rojo.
Rojo.
¿Sabida?
Eso
es pana. Lemay. Bueno, en cada país se llama diferente. Hasta en Dominicana, ¿cómo se llama ese árbol? Panapén.
Panapén, sí.
O yo creo que algunos países también le llama árbol de pan. Eso. Lemay.
Get a little bit more bigger, a little bit more soft. Go on the barbecue pit, burn the outside, and the outside will start to get burnt, right? So you just rip off the skin, the inside should be cooked. So all the people who's from everywhere else besides here, how do you guys all open coconuts?
With a machete.
Machete? The can? Can opener? To get the coconut milk? Grab the coconut, peel the coconut first. And after that, we're gonna push down just like this, okay? Go to the next side. Push down. Oh, wow.
That's good.
Just keep going all the way around and push down. And there you guys go. You guys see the face? The two eyes and the mouth? You see, he's saying hello. Hey, 1, 2, 3. There you go. There you guys go. You might take it out and then crack it. Do it on the floor, hit it with the hammer, blow it up with dynamite. All right. Like this, and then all we need to do is just push down like this. And then if you guys look right there, that is how we take out the coconut meat.
Estamos caminando por el parque. Aquí ponen todo en inglés, en latín, chamorro, japonés, coreano. Aquí tenemos un árbol. En República Dominicana se llama guanábana. En chamorro se llama la guanaja. Con estas hojas que se llaman nipa, se hacían las velas de las canoas tradicionales. Ahora vamos para otro lado. Un alcantilado, una cueva, a lo mejor donde los indígenas vivían antes de la llegada de los españoles. Esto es como una área para comer que construyeron. Están tejiendo diferentes tipos de artículos como sombreros que se llaman chamorro tujón. Para la gente de República Dominicana, el fogón chamorro, que en chamorro se llama o horno o fogón. Fogón chamorro. Esta es mi tía. Mi tía Luisa. Parte del tour, paga $45, viene con el tour de todo el valle, se sirve una comida, parte del tour, el tour viene con un plato de comida de arroz rojo, chamorro, una ensaladita de repollo, pollo y postre, latilla, que en español es natilla, latilla. Y se sirve también finadeni, que es una salsa hecha de salsa de soya, cebolla y ají picante. Especialmente sangría de Puerto Rico. Acabamos de comer ese plato de comida tan rica, aunque sí hace un calor del diablo. Nos encontramos con un amiguito, si Ben Benadu. Otro amiguito, en chamorro se llama chiva. Chiva no tiene género. En el idioma chamorro no hay chivo, sino todos son chiva. Hey boy, what happened? Look at that, Ben.
I don't think it wants to.
What happened?
It wants to get out.
Like, you want to join the party?
Hi.
You join
Lick
the
the
party?
phone. Lick Gregory's phone.
You want something to feed it?
Huh?
Want something to feed it? You want something? Wants to join the party. Okay.
Yeah. Otro amiguito.
A color on that one? Yeah, the one.
Yeah, there's one. He's staying away. You can
Oh, he looks scary.
Yeah, he looks scary.
Yeah, he looks scary. Yeah, he looks chill. Llegamos a una parte del parque que hay casitas representando cada isla de la zona micronesia. Aquí tenemos la bandera de Guaján. Eso es el Carabao. Esta representa la isla Yap, la isla Chuuk, la isla Panapé, la isla Cosray, que son los estados federados de Micronesia. Carabao. Vamos a montarnos en esto. A ver si yo puedo. Yo me monté en esto. Mi Uber Chamorro. Y próximo viene el dominicano para montarse. Le toca a Gregory. No, eso se puede, ya montate. Ahí. Dominicano.
You have to put a coin in it.
Tomorrow Uber. 671.
Uber Chamorro. 671, el código de área.
671 Uber.
El toro.
Toro, ¿no? Vamos a buscar ese barco para regresar.
Thank you folks for riding the Riverboat Cruise today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Good?
¡Viva!
Tiene una tormenta el martes, hoy es domingo.
Remember, if they took your picture on the boat, you can go to the gift shop and try to take that back.
Y se acabó. Adiós.